Immune Booster Smoothie Recipe. Ingredients: 2 frozen bananas, 1 orange, peeled, 1 cup 250 ml plant-based milk, 1 handful 30 grams fresh spinach, 1/2 cup 50 grams frozen raspberries, 1/4 raw beetroot peeled, 1/4 cup 60 ml plant-based yogurt *, we used coconut, 1-inch chunk fresh ginger peeled, 1 tablespoon 15 ml nut butter, we used peanut butter. Toppings: granola, coconut flakes, fresh berries. Directions: 1. Combine all ingredients in a high-speed blender and blend on high until smooth. 2. Pour into bowls and top with granola, fresh berries, toasted coconut flakes or any other desired toppings. Notes: Nutrition tip: try to use a plant-based milk that is fortified with calcium, offers approximately 120 mg calcium per 100 ml serving. Storage: best if enjoyed right away. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.